If you are trying to choose between Meld Studio and OBS, this quick comparison will save you time. Both are powerful streaming tools, but they are built for very different types of users. Let's break it down fast. Ease of use. Meld Studio is designed for beginners and simplicity. The interface is clean, modern, and everything is drag and drop. You can start streaming in minutes without watching tutorials. OBS, on the other hand, has a steeper learning curve. It is not hard, but it is not beginner friendly either. You will need some time to understand scenes, sources, and settings. Bottom line, Meld Studio easier, OBS more complex. Features and flexibility. OBS is extremely powerful and customizable. You get full control over scenes, transitions, plugins, and advanced settings. It's basically unlimited if you know what you are doing. Meld Studio focuses on simplicity. It includes built in overlays, alerts, and stream tools, so you do not need plugins or extra setup. But it is not as customizable as OBS. Bottom line, OBS equal more powerful, Meld Studio equal more streamlined. Performance and stability. OBS is lightweight and optimized. It runs smoothly on most systems and gives you detailed control over performance settings. Meld Studio is newer and still improving. It works well, but it may not be as stable or optimized as OBS yet, especially on lower end PCs. Bottom line, OBS more reliable, Meld Studio good but still evolving. Streaming experience. Meld Studio is built specifically for streamers. It has built-in chat, alerts, overlays, and easy integrations, everything in one place. OBS requires extra tools for that. You will need plugins or third-party services like Streamlabs or Stream Elements. Bottom line, Meld Studio all-in-one streaming. OBS more setup required. Pricing. OBS is completely free and open source. Meld Studio offers a free version, but some advanced features may require a paid plan. Bottom line, OBS 100% free, Meld Studio Premium. System requirements. OBS runs well on low to mid-range PCs and gives you control over performance. Meld Studio may require a slightly stronger system for smooth performance. Bottom line, OBS better for low-end PCs, Meld Studio better on modern systems. Customization and plugins. OBS supports tons of plugins and community tools. Meld Studio has limited customization but includes built-in features instead. Bottom line, OBS highly customizable, Meld Studio simple but limited. Best for. Meld Studio is best for beginners, streamers who want fast setup, and content creators who do not want to deal with plugins. OBS is best for advanced users, gamers, and professionals who want full control. Final verdict. Go with Meld Studio if you want simplicity and speed. Go with OBS if you want power and flexibility. And that is it, quick and simple. For more comparisons like that, please do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon to get all the news about such streaming services or recording services. Share this video to your friend who wants to be a streamer. Thank you for watching and see you in a new comparison video.